Namaste student. Here today we're going to see the topic that is divisibility test for 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. So here the first rule for 2. So for rule for 2, if we'll take the number equals to 212 2184. So whatever number you take, no problem. So you have the number this. So unit digit. If you look at the unit digit is 1. You need to check the unit digit. If unit digit is even number, then this number will be divided by 2. And if the unit digit is odd number, then this number will be divided by, not divided by 2. Okay. That means remember 0. We need to take 0 also as a multiple of 2. Okay. As it is, if we'll take 0 here, so 2 zeros are 0. So it is divisible by 2. So now 1 is what? Is not divisible by 2. Therefore we can say that 2 does not divide 21824821. So what you have written here, so this is the notation, like this statement. 2 is not 2. 21824821 is not divisible by 2. So this whole statement has written in this symbolic form. What does it mean, this one? If I'll take 2 divides 4, that means 2 gives remainder 0 when 4 is divided by 2. So here we have this result. Please do not mix with this part 2/4. This is not the same thing. This means that, and this means this one 1/2. So both are different things. Please do not mix with this. This symbols means this, that remainder 0. Okay, this notation will you going to use. It will help us in this case. Next, rule for 3. Same number if we'll take here, the number equals to 21824821. Now sum of the digits means you need to add the term here, whatever you have, that is 2 plus 1 plus 8 plus 2 plus 4 plus 8 plus 2 plus 1. Now you add it here, that is 10 20 22 23 27 and 28. We are getting here 28 is not divisible by 3. Therefore 3 does not divide 21824821. Let's take another problem related to this. Like if I'll take the number 11721. Take this number. Now sum the digits of this number. So sum of the digits, sum of the digit we need to write. Sum of the digit equals to 1 plus 1 plus 7 plus 2 plus 1. If we add it here, we'll get here 9. 9 plus 3, that is 12, and 12 is divisible by 3. Therefore the whole number, that is 11,721, is divisible by 3. So how are we going to represent? 3 divides 11721. Finish. Next, and this rule this rule is applicable for your rule for 9 also. So what you need to do extra thing, just you check that sum of the digit is divisible by 9 or not. Now 28. Is 28 is divisible by 9? No. That means 9 does not divide 2, 1, 8, 2, 4, 8, 2, 1. Same way we'll proceed. Instead of writing 3, we'll write here 9. Okay. Same here if we'll go through this one. Now look at here. The number which are divided by 3 is not necessary that it should be divided by 9. Why? Check it here. 12 is divisible by 3, but look at here, 12 is not. See, is not divisible by 9. So for this case, what will gain? 9 does not divide 11721. Remember this one. Many students are thinking if we use the same rule, if it is divided by 3, then it must be divided by 9. They are thinking, no, it's not like that. Just you need to use the same method, same rule. Just you need to check that the resultant part is divided by 9 or not. If not, then we'll say no, it is not divisible by 9. Now if we'll take another problem, number 2, 8, 6, 2. You take this number. Now if we take this number, you can see the sum of the digits equals to what? 2 plus 8 plus 6 plus 2, and we are getting here 10 plus 6, 18. And look at here, 18 is divisible by 3 as well as is divisible by 9. Therefore you can say that 3 divides 2862 and 9 divides 2862. In this case, both are divisible by, not both, that number is divisible by both, that is 3 and 9. Let's proceed for the rule for 4. So here, rule for 4 and the rule for 8, we'll see both together. Rule for 8. So if we'll take the number like 41428, and same number I'll take here this side, 41428. Now for this one, what we're going to do, we'll take the last 2 digit number. So here the last 2 digit number is what? We can see that 28. So number formed by last 2 digit. So we'll write here number formed by last 2 digit is what? 28. Is it divisible? Is divisible by 4. Therefore the whole thing, this whole number, therefore 4 divides 41428. Now you are thinking, so how could you say from this one? Just if we'll check this one, if we'll check, you can see that this number is divisible by 4. And for what about the 8 rule? The way we have gone through for last 2 digit, here we'll go for last 3 digit. The number formed by last 3 digit. Number formed by last 3 digit. So here we have 428. Now you just check in the rough that 428 is divisible or not. So 428, 8 is there, 8, 5 ja 40, and we are getting 20, 8 here, so 8 3 are 24, and we can see that no, it is not divisible. So we'll write here is not divisible by 8, and therefore the whole number is not divisible by 8. So we'll write now 8 does not divide 4 1 4 2 8. This is the answer for 8. Now rule for 5. Rule for 5 and rule for 10 we'll see together. So here the rule is that if we'll take the number, like if we'll go for the 1 2 4 5 0, so in this case you need to check the unit digit. Here the unit digit 0. Remember, rule for 5 is that unit digit should be 0 or 5. If unit digit is 0 or 5, then it must be divisible by 5. So unit digit is 0 is divisible by 5. Therefore 5 divides 1 2 4 5 0. I will take another number. If I'll go for another number like same only 1 2 4 5, and here instead of 0 I will take here 5. So here the unit digit is 5, which is divisible by 5. Therefore 5 divides 1 2 4 5 5. But if we go for the rule for 10, if you go for the rule for 10, you can see that the same number, if I'll take go this one, so number here 1 2 4 5 0, so unit digit is 10, so unit digit is 0 and is divisible by 10. Therefore 10 divides 1 2 4 5 0. But if you look at this one 5, so 5 is not divisible by 10. Therefore we can say that this number is not divisible by 10. So rule for 10 is that unit digit should be only 0. So this one, this is called unit digits. A ones place digit should be 0. And for 5, 0 or 5. Okay. Next, rule for 6. Rule for 6. If you know rule for 2 and rule for 3, then you are able to solve for rule for 6. So let's take the number and we'll see how to check rule for 6. So if I'll go for the number, here the number will take number here 2 1 4 2 1, and if you look at this one, unit digit is what? 1 is not divisible by 2. Therefore 2 does not divide 2 1 4 2 1. Therefore you directly say that 6 does not divide 2 1 4 2 1. No need to check for 6, no need to check for 3. Remember why? Because first you need to check this one first check this. If yes, then go for this. That means rule for 3. If I'll take another problem, now we'll take another problem. If we go for the another problem, the problem is number. If we'll take here, the problem is 1 4 4 2 8. So here unit digit is 8 is divisible by 2. This implies 2 divides 1 4 4 2 8. Now we go for the sum of the digit. Sum of the digits. The sum of the digit, you check it here, 1 plus 4 plus 4 plus 2 plus 8. So you are getting here 10, 18, 19 is not divisible by 3. This implies 3 does not divide 14428. So we'll say that therefore 6 does not divide 14428. Why? Because 2 divides this and 3 divides this, then only it is possible. First problem, what we have seen, that for 2 it is not true, so we'll not go for 3 directly, we can say. But after looking that one, you will see here that first case is true, so we need to check that the second case is true or not. That means it is divisible by 3 or not. So if it is divisible by 3, then we can say that yes, it is divisible by 6. For example, if we'll take the another problem, if we'll take the problem like if I'll take 14418, this problem if I'll take, then if you'll see that unit digit equals to what? 8 is divisible by 2. Therefore, we can say that this divides 2 divide 14418. Now go for the sum of the digits. So here 1 plus 4 plus 4 plus 1 plus 8, and we are getting here 18 is divisible by 3. This implies 3 divides 14418. Therefore, we can say that 6 divides 14418. Now, if you have a doubt, you can check it here. 14418, 6 2 ja 12, 2 here, 2 6 4 ja 24. We are getting 1, 6 0 ja 0, 1 8, 6 3 ja 18. You can see here remainder is 0. That means it is exactly divisible by 6. Now we go for rule 7. Rule for 7. So here the rule is that if we'll take the number, so let's take the number 742. If I'll take very simple number, 3-digit number I'm taking here. So in this case, what we're going to do, we'll find the difference. What type of difference? Difference should be that last digit should be multiplied with the 2, and rest whatever number will remain. Like if I'll take out this 2 here, we are getting 74. To take 74 and subtract it from 2 times of the last 2 digit. So we are getting 74 minus 4. So that is 70. Is this number is divisible by 7? Yes, is divisible by 7. Therefore, we can say that 7 divide 742. Okay, you go for the another number. Like 4-digit number. 114224. This number, not 4-digit number. Here we have 6-digit number. Okay, quite bigger in number. So now in this case, what we're going to see, step 1 here, we'll need to follow the step. So step 1, difference. First you take the whole number, leaving the last number, that means unit digit number. So here we have 11422 minus 4 into 2. So what we are getting here, that is 114. So we are getting 18 sorry, 18, 8. So our answer is 11414. This one we are getting. Now, by looking this one, you cannot decide that it is divisible by 7 or otherwise you need to go for your divisibility rule long division method and you need to check it here. So you can repeat this method, no problem, till you get your 2-digit place, because 2-digit is easily decided by you that it is divided by 7 or not, or you can go for 3-digit also, but here it's a 5-digit number, it's quite difficult for us to decide. So let's go for the step 2, find the difference. So again, what we're going to do, we'll not take this part, we'll take this whole thing, that is 1141, and subtract this twice of this number, always 2, remember. Now check it here, 1141 minus 8. So what you are getting, that is 1133. This is 4-digit number. Go for the step 3, difference. Leave the last digit, take the remaining part, that is 113, and subtract it twice of this number. So you are getting here 113 minus 6. So result is how many? 1 0 7. So now if you look at this one, can you say 107 is divisible by 7 or not? If you look at this one, is not divisible by 7. Therefore you can say that 7 does not divide 114224. Yes, it is quite lengthy, but this is the way we can go. There are another method, so we'll not discuss this one. Whichever we have in our syllabus, we go through that one. You can apply another method also for this problem. Next, the last one is your rule for 11. Rule for 11. So in this, what we're going to do, we'll take the number. Let's take 14432, this number. Now what we're going to do, we'll take it from here, 1 2 3 4 5. So why you are writing this one? You don't have to write this one. You just think that this is 1 place, 2 place, 3 place, 4 place, 5th place. Okay, this way you need to think. Now sum of odd place digit you need to add. So odd place digit is what? 2, 4 and 1. So 1 is your odd, 3 is your odd, and 5 is your odd. So we'll take here 2 plus 4 plus 1, and what we are getting here, 6 plus 1 7. Okay, next, sum of even place digit. Add it here. Even place digit is 3 and 4. So 3 plus 4, we are getting 7. Now find the difference of these two. Difference means bigger to smaller. So here both are same. Here 7 minus 7, and you are getting 0. And yes, 0 is divisible by 11. You need to check that the difference must be divisible by 11. If it is divisible by 11, we can say that yes, it is, the whole number is divisible by 11. So is divisible by 11. Therefore we can say that 14432 is divisible by 11. That means in short you can write that 11 divides 14432. Let's check it here. 14432, 11 1 ja 11, you are getting 3 4. So take it here, 3 3 4, so 11 3 ja 33, you are getting 1 3. So you take 11 1 ja 11, you are getting 2, the last 2, 11 2 ja 22. Look at here, this is exactly divisible by 11. Rule is that check any number. If I'll go for the other number, like the bigger number, if we'll go like 1 4 3 2 1 8 4 4 7 2 9, like this, what we're going to do, you take it the place like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Now these are your odd place digit. 1 7, this is 3 is here, 5 is here, 7 is here, and 9. That means now we need to find sum of the odd place digit. That means 9 plus 7 plus 8 plus 2 plus 4, and sum of the even place digit, that is 2 plus 4 plus 1 plus 3, and then we'll check the difference. If we see the difference is divisible by 11, then the whole number is divisible by 11. These are the rule. I hope you people have understood. Thank you.